Got a John Deere 7280R. Got a customer in Canada that's looking for a 3-point. A lot of tractors up there don't come with them. Not sure why. So thought we would make one for to add one. So we start with a rock shaft arm, cylinder, draft arm, lift arm. You may or may not need or want the Quik hitch. Come back to that one. The bumpers and these sway blocks. You'll need the top link bracket along with the top link. Same things on this side, except there's a little sensor mechanism. You may or may not need the draft control shaft. And then when we get into, if you don't have a hitch, then you don't have the hitch valve. So we need the plumbing. Hitch valve is the one without the coupler. So this had 3 valves on it. If you're going to add the hitch, this here 4th valve, so you would just pull this off, stick your hitch valve on, and bolt that back down. You may need some longer bolts there. Perfect time to add a valve if you needed one. Any plumbing that would be required for the hitch that doesn't affect another part of the tractor, we would include with it. This here has a new style cast Quik hitch. Looks like it's barely been used. There's no wear. You can cheapen this up to get an older steel style. This is just a category 3, so a lot of different pieces of work. So if you have a 7 series tractor, or actually, I don't know how much different this is going to be than an 8000. If you have an 8000 series tractor that doesn't have a hitch. I'm thinking about that. Some of this may be different here, but anyway, the bulk of it's going to be the same. So new price from Deere, putting all this on, it's about $25,000. And so we've tentatively we've sold this for 15, I think. It's in really good shape. So if you have a 7R, 8R that doesn't have a 3-point, we can get you fixed up in that price range, include all the hardware. If we have one that maybe is burned a little harder than this, then obviously we would discount for cleanup, or we would do the cleanup, whatever. Either way, lots of options. Let us know if we can help you.